Hey Joe, what's going on right now?
We are packing snacks for some hurricane coverage. We got lots of nuts. We've got some protein bars, more beef jerky than is probably legally allowed in most states. But hopefully we're going to take care of our crews, make sure everybody's nice and fueled up for hurricane coverage, and then the aftermath, because that's when our work really begins, getting the reports out of when people can get back to their homes, when the roads are safe, and what they can do to repair everything as life moves on after Irma does. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
All right.